This morning, I woke up with a bunch of notifications from PayPal. And of course, I can go to my PayPal here and I refresh it for you to see that these sales are all real. And what I am doing is I sell digital products on social media. And the product that I'm selling now is the Quote Page Collective. I don't own this product, but I can be an affiliate for it and earn 80% commission. And if you have a smartphone and social media and you don't know how to make money from it, it's time to do it. Because digital marketing is booming right now and people are making a lot of money from it. And I already sent you my guide right here and make sure you read it through. And if you already get Quote Page Collective from me, make sure you message me back on my Facebook or my Instagram, WorkWithSydney, okay? So I can send you all of my bonuses, including my theme page ATM. Learn this skill can change your life, okay? If you have any questions, feel free to DM me or feel free to reply me on any platform that you can find. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. This is Sydney from WorkWithSydney.com and bye-bye.